This is an emergency signal from India, not a headline, not a speculation. A direct warning. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Vriti Atri, and India is telling its citizens the situation in Iran can spiral out of control. Leave now. And who is this warning for? Not for tourists, not for diplomats. This is for Indian students who are studying in Iranian universities, pilgrims who are visiting the holy sites, business professionals, long term residents, and also families who are living there for years. No one is excluded here. Let me tell you what has changed in Iran: the ground reality, the regime. Protests are no longer small, they are spreading across cities. Security forces are clashing with crowd, roads are being blocked, public spaces they are tense. Now when unrest spreads this fast, control becomes unpredictable. And yes, then comes the biggest threat. Not internal chaos, but external fire. The United States has issued hard warnings to Iran. Military options are being openly discussed, allies are watching, the region is on edge. And everybody knows when superpowers move, ordinary people pay the price first. So, why is India acting so fast? Because evacuation after war began, it is dangerous. Because once airspace shuts, flights vanish. Because embassies, they lose the moment. Because borders close without any notice. India wants its people out before panic starts, not after the missiles are launched. Well, the advisory is clear, it is practical. Leave using commercial flights while they exist. Do not wait for special evacuation plane. Do not assume things will calm down. History shows they really do. The embassy, it is on high alert. Emergency teams are activated. Helplines are live. Officials are tracking registered citizens here. But help can only reach those who stay connected. And that is why registration is very, very important right now. Documents can save lives. The advisory stresses this repeatedly. Carry your passport, keep digital copies, save emergency numbers, inform family in India about your moment. Because when chaos break out, documentation becomes survival. And this is not panic, this is prevention. India is reading the signs early. Street unrest, geopolitical threats, military positioning, diplomatic warning, put all together and they form a dangerous picture. Time is the most important factor here, ladies and gentlemen. Today, you can book a flight. Tomorrow, you may not.